So now I am done, and after cutting my yarn, this is what I have. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a crochet round base bag. So I'm going to use a 3.5 hook and gray yarn, and so we're going to start by making the base of the bag. And so this is how you do a circle. So first you take your yarn, wrap it around your finger, and take the end of the loop of the yarn and cross it into the yarn that you're holding with your finger. Insert your hook like this, pull the yarn that is in your finger like this, and pull it inside this magic circle that you made. So after that, I'm going to chain 1 and I chain 2, and I'm going to do 10 double crochets inside this magic circle that we've made. So after doing that, you realize that there is this side and there is this other side that's not moving. So I'm going to join this side that is moving and this other side that is not moving, and I'm going to do 10 double crochets. So after doing my 10 double crochets inside this is what we have. So I'm just going to pull through like this, and after that I am going to join my circle. So I'm just going to insert my hook in the first 2 chains that we made in the beginning of this circle, and I'm going to slip stitch. So pull through 1 and pull through 2. So this is what we have, and after that I'm going to chain 2, and after chaining 2 I'm going to do 2 double crochets in each single chain. So 1, 2, 1. So 2 double crochets in each row. After doing that, this is what you're having, and I'm just going to go to these first 2 chains that are made, and I'm going to insert my hook like this, and I am going to slip stitch, so like that. And so this is what we have. So on our second row, this is our first row, so on our second row I'm going to chain 2. After chaining 2, I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the first chain, and 2 double crochets in the next chain. So that will be the pattern for the second row. So 1 double chain, 2 double chains in the next chain, 1 double chain, 2 double chains in the next chain. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next chain. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So now I have my second row, and this is the outcome so far. So I'm just going to slip stitch, and this is what I'm having. So on our third row I'm going to chain 2, and after chaining 2 I'm going to do, if it's the third row, it's the third chain that I'm going to do 2 double crochets. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the first chain, 1 double crochet in the second chain, and 2 double crochets in the, and that will be the continuous progress. And I need 10 rows. So if it's the first row, then basically it's just double crochets. In the second row, it's the second row that is it's the second chain that gets the double crochet. So you do one chain, then double crochet, one chain, double crochet. If it's the third row, the first and second chain you do single double crochets, while in the third chain you do double crochet. So that will be the cycle till you have 10 rows, and in the 10 rows you'll always have 9 double crochets in each single chain, and in the 10th chain you'll have 2 double crochets. So that's what I'm talking about. So this one I'm just doing double crochets on every third chain that I come across while I'm doing this row. So let's meet when I have 10 rows. After doing 10 rows, this is what I have. So you can tell there are 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically there are 10 rows, and I'm going to start doing the upper part. So as I said, in the first chain it was pure double crochets, and then in the second row it was every second chain that was getting 2 double crochets. In the third row, every third chain getting 2 double crochets. In the fourth row till to the 10th row. So I'm just going to start a new row, and this time I'm going to use an orange yarn. It's also acrylic, and so I'm going to change my hook, and then I'm now going to use a 4.4 hook. And so first this is where I cut my yarn, so I'm going to insert my hook here. And so I'm going to take my orange yarn, and I'm going to do like this. So I'm going to insert it inside the hook, and I'm going to pull through like this, and I'm going to chain 2. So 1, 2. So this is what I have after chaining 2. And after doing that, I'm going to do a single crochet on the first chain, which is this one. And so I'm just going to insert my hook like this and do a single crochet. Then after that, I'm going to chain 1, 2, and I'm going to insert it onto the third chain of this circle. So this is my first chain, this is my second chain, this is my third chain. So I'm going to insert on the 4th. So I have my 3 chains here, and I'm going to insert it on the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 4th double crochet. So I'm going to insert my hook like that, and I'm going to do a single crochet. So after pulling my hook like that, and I'm going to do a single crochet. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to skip 3 double crochets, and after that I'm going to do on my 4th double crochet, I'm going to do a single crochet. So it will be continuous. So I'm going to chain 3, and on the third, on the 4th one, I'm going to do another single crochet. So 1, 2, 3. So, and this is what I'm going to do all round, and let's meet when I am done. Again, I chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and do it on the 4th chain like that. I made smaller chains. That's why my hook is getting stubborn, but hopefully so let's meet when I'm done. So now I am done, and this is how I'm going to chain 3, and I am going to slip stitch here for me to join the row. After completion, this is what I have, and now I'm going to join my yarn. So I'm just going to insert my hook in this in between here, and I'm going to pull through to form a slip stitch, pull through 1 and pull through 2. So after that I'm going to chain 2. After chaining 2, I'm going to do 3 double crochets in my first space. So 1, 2, 3. So after that, in my next space, I'm going to do 1 double crochet. So after that, in my third space, I'm going to do 4 double crochets. So on to the next space, I'm going to do 1 double crochet, and that will be the repetition. So from now onwards, I'll be doing 3 double crochets, 1 crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 crochet. I mean 4 double crochets, 1 crochet, 4 double crochets, 1 crochet, 4 double crochets, 1 crochet. The reason why we did 3 double crochets at the beginning is because we have these first 2 chains. So onwards, 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet till I'm done. So I'm at the end of my first row, and so I'm just going to insert my hook here and do a slip stitch like that. So on my second row, I'm just going to chain 2 and do 3 double crochets here inside this hole. So after doing 3 chains, I'm going to do a front post double crochet in this second chain. So this is how you do a front post. You basically take your hook, yarn over and insert it in this single chain that we did in the first. So I'm just going to pull through like this, then pull through 1 and pull through 2. So after that, I'm just going to do 4 double crochet in this next part. So immediately you do a front post double crochet, you do 4 double crochets inside the next hole that is visible there. So this is my third one, and this is my fourth one, and I'm going to do a front post double crochet here. So the front post double crochet, I'm doing them to the single double crochet that we were doing as we were doing rows. And before every single double crochet, you can realize that after every double crochet there's space, so that space is the one that we'll be doing 4 double crochets inside them, and this single double crochet that we made before, we'll be using them to form a front post. Now for example, here I've done my already 4 double crochets. I'm just going to yarn over into my hook, and this is the next visible front post double crochet. I'm just going to insert my hook under it and pull the yarn over like this. After doing that, I'm going to chain 1 and chain 2. So immediately after this front post double crochet, you can realize that there is space here, so this is where I'm going to do my next 4 double crochet, and that's how we'll be doing till we have our desired shape. So let's meet when I'm done with my desired rows. You can do as many rows that you want, or as many more rows that you want. So this is my basket. I just literally wanted a basket to store my yarn, and my camera is not that clear, but this is what I'm having. So it's not yet complete. It's an orange color, so the lighting is giving in some different colors, but it's an orange color, and this is the pattern. So I'm just going to finish here. Like I said before, I hope everyone has been doing 4 chains in the beginning of every. This is the pattern. So I'm going to complete this pattern. So I'm going to do a front post crochet here. I'm going to do a front post crochet here, then immediately do 4 double crochets here. So this is the progress, and I'm going to join here. I just wanted a bag to put in my crochet remains, and I wanted it to be circle like. So now I am done, and I'm just going to join my yarn like this. So now I am done, and after cutting my yarn, this is what I have. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.